2020 was all about pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic. And 2021 seemed to be all about vaccination, COVID-19 vaccination. Yes, I'm Dr. Ramya, a public health professional currently monitoring the COVID-19 vaccination drive in various districts of Telangana in collaboration with World Health Organization and Government of Telangana. I'm here to give out little piece of information about COVID vaccination and its operation. So let's get in. India's COVID vaccination drive started on January 16th, 2021, and this program operates in 4 phases. In phase number 1, vaccination will be given to all frontline workers, especially healthcare workers, both in public and private setup, and this phase is currently in operation. Phase 2, vaccination will be given to all who are 50 years and above with comorbidity. Comorbidity means a condition wherein a person has already got some underlying health issue. Phase 3, for those who are below 50 years with comorbid conditions. Phase 4, for general population. Henceforth, this vaccination drive is long-term and it might even extend up to 6 months or more to make sure that everybody in the country gets vaccinated. And let me tell you, COVID-19 vaccination is voluntary, meaning nobody is going to force upon you, nor are you obligated to get vaccinated. And vaccination below 18 years is not yet approved. The vaccines given in India as a part of a COVID vaccination drive are Covaxin and Covishield. Covaxin is being developed by Bharat Biotech and it is India's first indigenous vaccine. On the other hand, Covishield is being developed by Oxford University in collaboration with AstraZeneca, a pharma major, with India's Serum Institute as their manufacturing partner. Now, both these vaccines are supposed to be given in 2 doses. Now let's see a little more about these vaccines. Covaxin. Covaxin is an inactivated vaccine, meaning it's developed by killing or inactivating the live microorganism that cause disease. In essence, it's very much similar to hepatitis A, influenza, polio vaccine, etc. Bharat Biotech claimed to have conducted 2 trials and almost 800 participants apart from several animal trials, and much of the results are in public domain. Whereas Covishield is being developed from a virus called adenovirus, which causes common cold among chimpanzees. In this, the virus is weakened and genetically modified and is aimed to train the immune system to generate suitable antibodies that can fight against COVID-19 virus. Well, now both Covaxin and Covishield, the results of their efficacy are more or less in public domain. However, few reports claim that the efficacy of Covishield are based on the trials in Europe and Brazil, but not in India. On the other hand, according to the official website of Bharat Biotech, Covaxin is yet to complete its late-stage human clinical trials in India. Now, all said and done, getting vaccinated or not getting vaccinated is a personal choice. And yes, it's up to the wisdom of the wise. Because of many theories pertaining to vaccination are surfacing, I hereby presented you with some basic scientific and medical facts, but then there need to be a reality check-in too. With this said, when asked upon, I would say, I'm not for this vaccination nor against it, but absolutely for disease control, prevention, eradication, and most importantly for health promotion. So that's it for now. We'll get back to you soon. Thank you. Have a good day.